Hey guys, good morning. Shubha noboborsho. Today's plan was making breakfast, but I slept really late and woke up so early. Now I'm feeling like a trash. So maybe not breakfast, but in the evening going to make some snacks. Why my ears doing that? So yeah, hopefully we're going to make some snacks. I'm just going to upload my first video in YouTube. It's weird. I'm nervous. I have just uploaded my video. Hopefully you're just going to love it. Don't forget to watch it. Bye. Okay, I have taken my shower and going to do some skincare. I mean just sunscreen, okay? It's not like I do it definitely, but I'm going to try. And I am home. Now going to get some breakfast, and after that we'll go to the kitchen and see what we can cook. I'm a really bad cook. I mean I can't cook, but today I'm going to try. Finger crossed. Now I am doing my breakfast. Sorry for the messy room. It's not chic as you look at in YouTube or Instagram, but yeah, it's the reality. I was just talking with my mom and then my dad came. I told him that I'm doing vlog and his reaction was just see. He's literally dancing. God, he's hilarious, guys. So funny. I wish you could see his face, but the mobile was not in that high that you can see his face. After the breakfast, the cooking preparation started, and my dad was guiding me how to cook biryani, and I was like, no, in YouTube it's not like that, it's those. And he was like, no, just calm down and just do what I am telling. And my mom was telling that I am the new chef of the house, and we were so much laughing on it. I wish you could listen to us. I was struggling with the camera. Then he told me that give me it, I'm going to shoot you. And I was telling him, no, not that way. You should keep the mobile straight so you can have better footage. And about the cooking, I was just mixing all the ingredients with chicken so that we can marinate it for like 15 to 20 minutes. After marinating the chicken, it's time to fry the rice. For that, we have just put some oil first and then cinnamon, onion, cardamom and bay leaves. Fry it a little bit and then the rice. For biryani, you should fry the rice for some time so your rice don't get too soft, as my dad recipe. I don't know others in YouTube. I didn't find something like that, but my dad say that you need to do that. Here is our chicken is ready, and it's time to mix the chicken in rice. Sorry for the blurry image, I didn't notice that it's got blurry. Okay, it's currently 1:25 and we are almost done our cooking. I mean, basically it's not my cooking. One project, 3 members. How people do actually cooking? It's really, really hard. I don't think that I can do this. I think 10 to 15 minutes, maybe more, then the cooking will be going to finish. After the lunch, I think I'm going to just get ready and do some TikTok and some photos, maybe. I think so much. I need to stop. It's time to get glam and dressed up. And this is how I shoot my videos. This video is going to upload soon, so stay tuned. I applied my primer and need to wait for 2 minutes. And that time I was seeing what I want to do. Hey Brock, how are you? the makeup look. I don't know what to do, but this is so late. It's 6 p.m. Why I did makeup? Maybe I'm going to do some TikTok. I I don't know how to do that actually. I'm really bad at it. People do it really well. How? I need to teach. I need to teach her in talk. I forget English again. So here's the look. Um, don't know what to do next. Let's see. I ended up doing 3 TikToks and took some photos. I'm sorry I can't share the music, but here's some clips of the TikTok and photos. If you want to see the full video of TikTok and the photos, follow me on Instagram and TikTok. Handle is in the description box. I forgot I was doing work. I was just randomly gossiping with mom, dad, and passing time. And then I realized that oh shit, I was doing vlog. And so I think this is the end of the video. I'm just going to see some series. Maybe I'm going to watch Little Things 3. What are you guys watching? The day passed really well actually. I didn't get bored. I cooked for the first time. Cooked biryani and spending time with mom, dad, and dressed up, got full glam. Yeah, the day spent really well. How was your day? Comment below, and going to see you again. Love you.